Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Sample paper 3, class 9. In the figure below, the value of angle ADC is. The angle subtended by arc AB to the center is O is angle AOB, that is 60. The angle subtended by BC at the center O is angle BOC, 30. The angle subtended by arc AC at the center O is the sum of these angles, that is angle AOB plus angle BOC, that is 60 plus 30, that is 90 degrees. The angle subtended by an arc to the center is twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. The angle subtended by arc AC at point D is angle ADC. Angle AOC is equal to 2 angle ADC. So, angle ADC is equal to half of angle AOC, that is 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. So answer is C, 45. The volume of a cuboid is 192 centimeter cube and its dimensions are in the ratio 4:3:2. What is the length of the longest edge? Let the dimensions of the cuboid be 4x, 3x and 2x. The volume of a cuboid is given by the product of its dimensions, that is 192 is equal to 4x, 3x, 2x. That is 192 is equal to 24x cube. Solving for x is equal to 2. The longest edge from 4x, 3x and 2x is 4x. So the dimension of the longest edge is 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 centimeters. From the given options, the answer is C, 8 centimeters. A cube has a total surface area of 600 centimeter square. What is its volume? The total surface area of a cube with edge length A is given by 6A square. That is 600 is equal to 6A square. Solving for A square is equal to 100 and A is equal to 10. The volume of a cube with edge length A is given by A cube. Hence the volume is equal to A cube, that is 10 cube, which is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. From the given options, the answer is A, 1000 centimeter cube. In the figure, AOB is 120 and BOC is 60. What is AOC? Drawing the figure for this, starting with angle AOB, we have A, O, B as, starting it again. AOB is 120, that is an obtuse angle. So, AOB is 120 degrees and BOC is 60 degrees. So angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC, that is 120 plus 60, that is equal to 180 degrees. That is answer C. In a triangle, the ratio of the angles is 2:3:4. Find the measure of the largest angle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The ratio is 2:3:4. So let the angles be 2x, 3x and 4x. That is 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degrees. That is 9x is equal to 180 degree. That solving for x, which is equal to 20. The largest angle corresponds to the largest ratio, that is 4x. So largest angle is equal to 4 into 20, that is equal to 80 degrees. From the given options, the answer is C, 80 degrees. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, that is 5 cm, and BC is equal to 6 cm. In triangle DEF, DE is equal to DF, which is equal to 5 cm, and EF is equal to 6 cm. Which criteria proves their congruency? Here we can see that AB is equal to DE, which is equal to 5, AC is equal to DF, which is equal to 5, and BC is equal to EF, which is equal to 6. Since all three corresponding sides are equal, the triangles are congruent by side, 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 that is C. Two right angle triangles are congruent by RHS criteria. Which of the following must be true? A. Their areas are equal. B. Their perimeters are equal. Both A and B are true. D. None of the above are true. Answer is C. Both A and B are true. If two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts, side, angle, area, perimeter are equal. RHS criteria is a specific condition for proving congruence in right angle triangles. Question 8. In a trapezium ABCD, the lengths of the parallel sides AB and CD are 10 cm and 20 cm respectively. If the height of the trapezium is 8 cm, find its area. The area A of a trapezium is given by the formula A is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H, where A and B are the lengths of the parallel sides and H is the height. Given A is equal to 10 cm, B is equal to 20 cm, and height is equal to 8 cm, area is equal to 1 by 2, 10 plus 20 into 8, that is 120 centimeter square. That is option A. Question number 9. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at an angle of 90 degree. What special type of parallelogram is it? Parallelogram whose diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree has diagonals that are perpendicular. A parallelogram with perpendicular diagonals is a rhombus. A square has also this property, but a rhombus is the most general special type that fits this description. So the answer is C, rhombus. Question 10. In a triangle, the length of the sides are 13 cm, 14 cm, and 15 cm. Find its area. The semi-perimeter S is the half sum of the sides L The semi-perimeter S is the half the sum of the side lengths A, B and C. That is S is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. That is equal to 21. Applying the Heron's formula, that is A is equal to root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. A is equal to root 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. That is equal to 84 centimeter square. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 84 centimeter square. Question 11. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB is 10, AD is 8, and the angle between AB and AD is 45. Find its area. Area A of a parallelogram with adjacent sides A and B and the angle theta between them given by A is equal to A into B into sine theta. That is A is equal to 10 into 8 into sine 45. The value of sine 45 is equal to root 2 by 2, which is equal to 0.707. That is 10 into 8 into 0. Into 0.707, which is equal to 56.56. Comparing with the options, it is closest to 56 centimeter square, that is option C. A sphere is inscribed in a circle. If the edge length of the cube is 10 centimeter, find the ratio of the volume of the sphere to the volume of the cube. The edge length of the cube is L equal to 10 centimeter. The volume of the cube is V cube equal to L cube. That is V cube is equal to 10 cube, which is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. For an inscribed sphere, its diameter is equal to the edge length of the cube. So the radius R is equal to length by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. The volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is V sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi cube. That is equal to 500 by 3 pi centimeter cube. The ratio V square by V cube is equal to 500 pi by 3 upon 1000, which is equal to pi by 6. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, pi by 6. Question 13. Two spheres have radii in the ratio 2:3. Find the ratio of their surface area and their volumes. The surface area of a sphere is given by A is equal to 4 pi r square. If the radii are r1 and r2, the ratios of their areas is a1 upon a2, which is equal to 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square, which is equal to r1 upon r2 square. Given r1 and r2, given r1 upon r2 is equal to 2 by 3, the ratios of the surface area is 2 by 3 whole squared, which is equal to 4 by 9. The volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is V1 upon V2 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube upon 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, which is equal to r1 upon r2 cubed. Again, given r1 upon r2 is equal to 2 by 3, the ratio of the volumes will be 2 by 3 whole cubed, which is equal to 8 by 27. The ratios of their surface area is 4:9 and the ratio of their volume is 8:27. From the given options, the answer is A, 4:9 and 8:27. Question 14. Rationalize root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. The conjugate of the denominator root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. That is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Using the difference of square in the denominator and the square of a sum in numerator, root 3 plus 1 whole squared upon root 3 square minus 1 square, we have 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 2. Reducing the fraction, that is 2 plus root 3 upon 2, which is equal to 2 plus root 3. From the given options, the answer is A, 2 plus root 3, that is A. Question 15. A bag contains 4 white balls, 6 black balls and 2 red balls. 2 balls are drawn at a random. What is the probability that both balls are same color? Total number of balls n is equal to sum of balls, that is 4 plus 6 plus 2, that is equal to 12. The total number of combinations of drawing balls from given 12 balls is given by 12 is given by 12 2, that is 12 factorial upon 2 factorial 12 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 66. This can happen in 3 mutually exclusive way: both white balls, both black balls, or both red balls. For both white, 4 2, that is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1, that is 6 ways. For both black is 6 2, that is 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1, that is 15 ways, and for both red, that is 2 2, that is 1 way. Total ways to have the same color is 6 plus 15 plus 1, that is equal to 22 ways. The probability is the ratio of favorable outcomes to the total outcomes, that is P of same color is equal to 22 upon 66, that is equal to 11 upon 33. From the given options, the answer is C, 11 upon 33. Question 16. A die is rolled 3 times. What is the probability of getting a sum of 9? The total number of possible outcomes when rolling a dice 3 times is 6 to the power 3, which is equal to 216. Combinations of 3 dice rolls that sum to 9 are 1, 2, 6, 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 5, 1, 6, 2, 2, 1, 6, 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 2, 6, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 4, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 2, 2, 5, 3, 1, 6, 1, 2, 6, 2, 1. There are 25 such combinations. The probability is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. That is P is equal to 25 upon 216. From the given options, the answer is P, 25 by 216. Question 17. The mean, median, and mode of a data set are related by Carl Pearson's formula. That is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If the mean is 20 and median is 25, what is the mode? Substituting the given values for mean and median into the formula, mode is equal to 3 into 25 minus 2 into 20, that is equal to 35. Answer B. Question 18. A student scored the following marks in 6 subjects: 45, 50, 60, 55, 70, 80. What is the weighted mean if the weights of the subjects are 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4? The formula for the weighted mean is summation mark I into weight I upon summation weight I. Calculate the sum of the products of marks and weights, that is summation mark I into weight I is equal to 45 into 2 plus 50 into 3 plus 60 into 1 plus 55 into 2 plus 70 into 3 plus 80 into 4, which is equal to 940. Calculating the sum of the weights, that is summation weight I is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 15. Calculating the weighted mean, that is equal to 940 upon 15, which is equal to 62.67. From the given options, the answer is A, 62.67. Question 19. If x square plus 5x plus 6 is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is. According to the remainder theorem, if a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, the remainder is pa. In this case, px is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6, and the divisor is x plus 2, so a is equal to minus 2. Evaluate the polynomial at x is equal to minus 2. P minus 2 is equal to minus 2 square plus 5 minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 0. So the answer is A, 0. The factorization of 4x square minus 25y square is, the expression 4x square minus 25y square is a difference of two squares, which follows the algebraic identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Substituting into a and b from the formula, we have 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. That is option B. Question 21. Which statement is true about constructing the inner circle of a triangle? Answer is option A. The circle is tangent to all three sides of the triangle. The inner circle of a triangle is defined as the largest circle that can be inscribed within the triangle such that it touches all three sides. The center of the inner circle is the incenter, which is the intersection of the angle bisectors of the triangle. Question 22. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB, option B, draw two arcs centered at A and B with radius more than half of AB. To construct a perpendicular bisector using a compass and a straight edge, place the compass on one point A and open the compass to a radius that is more than half the length of segment AB. Draw an arc above and below the line segment. Without changing the compass width, place the compass point on the other end point P and draw the arcs that intersect the first two arcs. Draw a straight line connecting the intersection points of the arc. The line is the perpendicular bisector. Question 23. The sides of a triangle are 6, 8 and 10 centimeter. What is the height corresponding to the smallest side? The sides are 6, 8 and 10 centimeter. Checking if it's a right angle triangle using Pythagorean theorem, that is a square plus b square is equal to c square, that is 6 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 100, and 10 square, which is also equal to 100. So the triangle is a right angle triangle with hypotenuse as a side of 10 centimeter. Two shorter sides, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, are the base and height relative to each other. The smallest side is 6 centimeter. The height corresponding to this side is the other leg of the right angle triangle, which is 8 centimeter. So the answer is B, 8 centimeter. Question 24. A triangle has sides 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find the ratio of its end radius to its circumradius. Checking if the triangle is a right angle triangle, that is 9 square plus 12 square, which is equal to 225, and 15 square, which is equal to 225. Since the triangle is a right angle triangle with hypotenuse edge as 15 centimeter, for right angle triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse edge in radius R is equal to A plus B minus h upon 2, which is equal to 9 plus 12 minus 15 upon 2, which is equal to 3. And circumradius R is equal to h by 2, which is equal to 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5. The ratio of n radius to r radius is equal to 3 upon 7.5, which is equal to 2 by 5. The ratio is written as 2:5. From the given options, the answer is C, 2:5. Question 25. Which of the following cannot be assumed in Euclidean geometry? The answer is C, parallel lines intersect. Question 26. How does Euclid define a plane surface? Answer is C, a surface where any two points are joined by a straight line lying wholly in the surface. Question 27. If x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to a minus b, then x square minus y square is equal to. Substituting the values of x and y into the expression, that is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Solving this using the algebraic identity of x square minus y square is equal to x minus y and x plus y, we have a plus b plus a minus b into a plus b minus a minus b. That is a plus b plus a minus b, a plus b minus a plus b, that is 4ab. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 4ab. Question 28. The line 5x minus 3y is equal to 10 intersects the x-axis at which point? To find where a line intersects the x-axis, the y-axis coordinate must be 0. That is 5x minus 3, 0 is equal to 10. That is 5x is equal to 10. That is x is equal to 2. That is option A, 2, 0. Question 29. If the line 3x minus 4y, if the line 3x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 passes through the point x1, y1, then the value of y1 when x1 equal to 2 is substituting x as 2 and y as y1 into the equation 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 is 3 into 2 plus 4 y1 minus 12 is equal to 0. That is 6 plus 4y1 minus 12 is equal to 0. Solving for y1 is equal to 6 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. From the given options, the answer is A, 3 by 2. Question 30. The equation of a line passing through 2 minus 3 with slope 1 by 2 is the point slope from a linear equation is y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 y1 is the point. That is y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 x minus 2. Simplifying the equation, we have y plus 3 equal to 1 by 2 x minus 2. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, y plus 3 equal to 1 by 2 x minus 1. Sorry, x minus 2. Sorry. Question 31. Which of the following is the simplest form of 1 upon 2 to the power 2 by 3? The rule of negative exponent states that 1 upon a to the power m is equal to 1. Question 31. Which of the following is the simplest form of 1 upon 2 to the power 2 by 3? The rule of negative exponents state that 1 upon a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m. That is 1 upon 2 to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 2 by 3. That is option B. Question 32. Simplify 8 upon 27 to power minus 1 by 3. The expression is 8 upon 27 to the power minus 1 by 3. First, rewrite the base as a fraction of cubes, that is equal to 2 upon 3 cubed to the power minus 1 by 3. Applying the negative exponent rule, a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n, that is equal to 3 upon 2 cubed to the power 1 by 3. Using the rule, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn, that is 3 upon 2 power 3 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 upon 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 3 upon 2. So the answer is B, 3 by 2. Question 33. Which of the following is the factorization of x to the power 4 minus 16x square plus 64? The expression x to the power 4 minus 16x square plus 64 can be rewritten in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Here a square is equal to x to the power 4, that gives a as x square, b square is equal to 64, that gives b as 8, middle term 2 ab as 2 x square 8, that is 16x square. This matches the expression using the perfect square trinomial formula. We have x square minus 8 whole squared. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, x square minus 8 whole squared. Simplify. 3x plus 2y whole cubed minus 3x minus 2y whole cubed. Expression is in the form of a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here a is equal to 3x plus 2y and b is equal to 3x minus 2y. So solving for a minus b, that is 3x plus 2y minus 3x minus 2y, that is equal to 4y. Next, solving for a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 3x plus y whole squared plus 2 3x plus y, 2y, 3x minus 2y plus 3x minus 2y whole squared. Sorry guys, there's no 2 in here because we are solving for a cube minus b cube, so it is a square plus ab plus b square. I'm so sorry. That is equal to 27x square plus 4y square. Combining the parts to get the simplified expression, we have 4y plus 27x square plus 4y square, that is 108 x square y plus 16 y square, y cube. Comparing with the given options, the answer is C, 108 x square y plus 16y cube. 108 x square y plus 16y cube. Question 35. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points 1, 2, minus 2, 6 and 3, minus 4. Area A of a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by A is equal to 1 upon 2 mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substituting with the given points, A is equal to 1 upon 2 1 6 minus 4 plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 3, 2 minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 mod 10, which is equal to 5. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 5. Question 36. Find the equation of line passing through the points 1, minus 2 and the perpendicular to the line 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. The given line is 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Rewrite it in slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b, that is minus 4y is equal to minus 3x minus 7, that is y is equal to 3 by 4 x plus 7 by 4. Slope of this line is m1 equal to 3 by 4. The slope m2 of a line perpendicular to the given line has a relationship m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. That is 3 by 4 into m2 equal to minus 1. That is m2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. The new line passes through point x1, y1, which is 1, minus 2 and has slope m2, that is minus 4 by 3. Using the point slope from y minus y1 equal to m2 x minus x1, we have y minus 2 equal to minus 4 by 3 x minus 1. That is y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3 x plus 4 by 3. Multiplying the entire equation by 3 to remove the fraction, we have 3y plus 6 is equal to minus 4x plus 4. Rearranging to the general form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we have 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with the given options, the answer is B. 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Question 37. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are A, 2, 3, B, 4, 7 and C, 6, 3. The area of a triangle is given by 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y1 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 bar. Substituting with the given coordinates into the formula, A is equal to 1 by 2 2 7 minus 3 4 3 minus 3 plus 6 3 minus 7, that is area is equal to 1 by 2 16, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 16, which is equal to 8. Comparing with the given answers, the answer is B, 8 square units. Question 38. A triangle has sides 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. Find its area using Heron's formula. The semi-perimeter S is the half perimeter of the triangle, that is S is equal to length into breadth into height upon is equal to side 1, side 2, side 3 upon 2, that is 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2, that is equal to 42 upon 2, that is equal to 21. Heron's formula states that the area of a triangle with sides A, B and C is area equal to root S minus side 1 S minus side 2 and S minus side 3, that is equal to root 21, 8, 7, 6, that is equal to root 7056, that is equal to 84 centimeter square. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A, 84 centimeter square. Question 39. For the data set 6, 7, 10, x, 15, the median is 10. What is the range of x? The data set has 5 values. When arranged in ascending order, the median is the middle value, which is the third value in this case. The given median is 10. For 10 to be the median, the data points must be able to be ordered in such that 10 is in the middle. The current known values are 6, 7, 10 and 15. If we arrange them, 10 is already in the middle value. The value for x must be such that it does not shift 10 from the middle position. This means x can be any value between the second and fourth values when sorted. The sorted set with x has 5 elements. The median is third element. The condition for 10 to be in the middle is that there are 2 elements less than or equal to 10 and 2 elements greater than or equal to 10. The values are 6, 7, 10, x and 15. If x is less than or equal to 10, the sorted set could be x 6, 7, 10, 15 or 6, x, 7, 10, 15, etc. The median would be 7 or 10. If x is greater than or equal to 10, the sorted set could be 6, 7, 10, x, 15 or 6, 7, 10, 15x. The median would be 10. For the median to be 10, the x must be greater than or equal to 10. So the answer is A, greater than or equal to 10. Question 40. The mode of the data set 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7 is. Count the occurrence of each number in the set. 3 appears 2 times. 4 appears 1 time. 5 appears 1 time. 6 appears 3 times and 7 appears 1 time. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the data set. The number 6 appears 3 times, which is more than any other number. So the answer is B, 6.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.